What are common mistakes to avoid when using Cornell Notes? Imagine trying to learn something new and ending up overwhelmed by your own notes. That's what can happen if you're not careful when using the Cornell Notes system. Let's talk about some common mistakes that can make this study method less effective and how to avoid them. First, many students try to write down every single word from lectures or textbooks. This can be exhausting and doesn't help you process the information. Instead, focus on jotting down main ideas, key terms, and important details in your own words. This makes your notes more meaningful and easier to review later. Another mistake is neglecting the Q column on the left side of the page. This section is meant for questions, keywords, or prompts that relate to the notes on the right. Skipping this part means missing out on a powerful tool for self-testing and quick review. It's also common to forget to review your notes soon after taking them. Waiting too long to revisit your notes can cause you to forget what you learned. Make it a habit to go over your notes within a day or two, using the Q column to quiz yourself. The bottom section of the page is the summary area, which helps you synthesize what you've learned. Leaving it blank or rushing through it means missing a chance to clarify and connect ideas. Also, some students don't stick to the structured format of the Cornell Notes template. Inconsistent use can make your notes messy and less useful. Developing a routine helps you stay organized and makes studying more efficient. Overloading your notes with too much detail is another common mistake. If your notes are cluttered with unnecessary information, reviewing them becomes a chore. Focus on capturing only the most important points to keep your notes clear and manageable. Customizing the system to fit your learning style can also make a difference. For example, adding diagrams, color coding, or highlighting can help you understand and remember better. Lastly, many students think taking notes is just about recording information. But the real power of Cornell Notes lies in actively engaging with the material. Use the questions in the Q column and the summary section to test yourself and reinforce your learning. To get the most out of Cornell Notes, avoid trying to write everything down. Always use all sections of the template, review your notes regularly, and actively question and summarize what you've learned. This way, your note-taking becomes a powerful tool for studying smarter, not harder.